So this February, we had a big snowstorm around here, and it took out a good chunk of this maple tree behind me here. It went all the way across the road and actually took out the power lines. Now you can see where it's been cut right there. That was a 27-inch chainsaw blade, and it didn't even go all the way through. So I'm guessing it's about 30 inches, 32 inches thick at the thickest parts. And I figured this would be a great time to do some live edge work. So I have a mobile milling guy coming out, and he is going to slab up the wood for me, which should be interesting just in itself. And while the wood is curing and drying, I'm going to take some woodworking courses on live edge, and then hopefully I can make something great out of it. So join me on the adventure. Now, mobile mills aren't cheap, so to save some money, I rounded up a crew and we pre-cut all of the wood and rolled it down onto the road so that it would be easy and ready for him to load up. Now you can probably see the smoke coming from the wood here, and that's just because after cutting up all of this maple, the chainsaw blade has become so dull that it's actually burning the wood as it cuts. At this point, we're all set and ready for the mobile milling. Jared from JM Custom Woodworks came out and did an amazing job slabbing up all the maple. The boards that go in between the slabs are called stickers, and you want them 1 inch by 1 inch. Now you can see here I am not cutting them that thick, and that's just simply because I was not prepared for this step. So if you're doing this, make sure you have those pre-cut and ready to go. I didn't, so we just cut some small slabs, put them in between for the time being, and then went back and did it the right way. Each time I stacked a slab, I made sure to dust off all of the sawdust off the top and the bottom, just to try and prevent mold as much as possible. To try to prevent cracking in the wood, I applied anchor seal on all of the end grain. Since the ground I'll be putting the wood on is not level, I made a platform to put it on to keep it level and also to keep it elevated off the ground. Make sure to subscribe to see what other steps I need to take in this process, as well as what projects I make out of it.